Hey YouTube, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you guys hit the like button and also subscribe. And as always, let's jump right into it. This is the weekly watch list for September 20th, 2021. So right here, we're looking at the S&P Emini futures. Okay, and here we come right back down to the 50 period. I told you last week I was bearish the market, and watch this 50 period. We keep bouncing off it over and over and over. Is this the week we finally actually break through and start to travel lower? We will see what actually happens, but I will tell you, when you close at the end of the week, usually at the lows, you're going to see a continuation come Sunday and Monday. So we'll probably gap lower Sunday. Just there's a lot of selling pressure. We haven't seen any panic selling yet, but my first level of resistance is going to be this 43 level, right around these swing lows right here, right? Because the minute we break these lows, we're now in a bearish market, right? Overall. But because all we've been doing is making higher highs and higher lows this entire way up, right? Higher highs, higher lows. Well, if we finally break this, now we're going to be making a lower high. That hasn't really happened probably since this move right here, right? And we will have a close below the 50. So probably more bearishness on the bigger picture. We still don't have excess up here, okay, on the end of the market profile. So overall, I think this is a buying opportunity. How far do we go? My ultimate goal right now would be this 42.50 level, this low volume node, to where we might bounce off and have a nice bounce. So that's about 150 points lower, which can happen very quickly. RSI still going lower, so everything is pointing lower. Let's take a look at the NQ. NQ, same thing. Been making higher highs, higher lows. Bearish week, closed at the bottom or at the lows. RSI is right here, still going lower, still has room to go lower. I would probably say for the NQ right around this 15,000 level, and then from there I'd probably say this low volume node around 14,500. So that looks bearish too. Crude oil. Now, I told you last week I actually was bullish on crude oil, and look at the breakout of this. I said it's gonna be weird because do the markets start to diverge, right? Meaning normally if crude oil goes up, the market goes up. If it goes down, the market goes down. But you're seeing a little divergence go on, breakout to the upside. So crude oil looks good. I won't be surprised if we retest that 75 and then 80 within the next few weeks to months. So let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin came down, tried to break below, right? Bounced off here. We're right on this channel. I said, watch for a break. If we actually lose this channel, that could become very bearish for Bitcoin. And on the bigger picture, we might actually have a low, a high, a higher low. Okay, that's what's happening now. But if we actually take out these lows, you better watch out on Bitcoin. Not going to be looking good, but we are still a long ways away. Gold. I was actually, I believe, bullish on gold last week. Kind of talking about if the market goes down, gold should go up. Well, guess what? The market went down and gold went down. ugly move on gold, but I'm watching this 157 level, double bottom down here, trend line, value area low. If we get down here, this is a great place to look to put sell puts, maybe around the 145 level of puts for maybe a few weeks out, something like that, maybe even the 140, because as we fall, implied volatility should rise. So just keep an eye on that 158 level, 157, look to sell puts a few weeks out. Not trade advice, but just trade ideas. Silver, ugly move on silver. I thought we were going to go higher, hold this. We kind of went lower. We're at the lower trend line, right? X marks the spot right here, which is multiple things, but I hate to say, I think we're going lower. My next level would probably be this 1950 level, and then from there probably the 1850 level. So if we go, maybe look to sell the 1650 puts if you want to play that game. AAPL, Apple looks ugly. If we lose this level, probably I'm gonna say if we lose this 144 level, watch out below. We could maybe have a decent pullback at least to the 140 and then down to the 135 levels. So in the Patreon portfolio, I actually did sell puts in Apple today. Every expiration, I usually throw about 3 puts that I like to sell the day for the following month. So in the portfolio, I did Apple, Coca-Cola, and one other I forgot. But guess what? If you want to know, sign up for it's $8 a month. I'll tell you right now, if you just take those trades, it'll pay for all those multiple times over. It's only $8 a month, and I think this past month we made like $57 if you did one contract of each as a total. I haven't had a losing trade, knock on wood, with the selling put. So I've never been put a stock. We've never even been close to it. So it's something that you might want to check out. Links down below. And that's it. So, but with Apple, like I said, we sold the 110 puts today. I believe it was, and I don't think Apple's going down there. If it does, I will buy it all day long. Let's take a look at Amazon. Amazon dead in the money, but relative strength, right? Remember, NASDAQ closed at the lows. You actually had nice bounce and really not that ugly, but Amazon's just sideways, really nothing there. And then I'm going to show you guys a potential trade. I actually jumped in today on one of my swing accounts. Look at Wish, WISH. Nice bottoming pattern, nice divergence right here. Okay, double bottom with divergence. I like this thing probably bounce at least back up to the 750 to 8, so it's about $1 more. 654. I think I picked up around 640. 2 or something today, but I do like it for a bounce going into the next week or two. Relative strength, we closed at the highs, while S&P's closed at the lows. But hopefully you guys enjoy this video. As always, thank you for watching my videos, and also make sure you check out my website for the weekly trade zones. S&P 500 ES is $50 lifetime for support and resistant zones. But until next time, we'll talk to you guys soon.